battleground of the war against terrorism is moving from the tribal hinterlands of Pakistan to its main cities. Dawn Investigation Cell travels to some areas of Pakistan near the Afghan border to find the causes of this new wave of militancy. These are the remains of the deadly effects of a wave of terror spreading from the lawless tribal areas of Pakistan near the Afghan border into the main cities. In Swat, a police constable Islam Gul's family is bearing the burden of his death in the first suicide attack earlier in July. Gul died while trying to protect a security convoy from a suicide bomber. His brother explains how it all happened.
पुलिस सर मतलब दे मोटर वाला रह गया अब ना कबंदे की उधर हो सारे की ब्लास्टिंग बुश हुई धमाका हुआ.
The message from this bombing was quite clear. The militants' most favored terror tactic, suicide bombing, has made its way to the tourist resort of Swat. Security officials believe that the militants behind the recent wave of terror attacks in Swat are foreigners, mostly coming from Afghanistan. All kinds of foreign militants, including Arabs, Chechens and Uzbeks, had crossed over into Pakistan after the US-led coalition forces attacked Afghanistan in 2001. Locals say that some of the militants who crossed over into Pakistan's Swat Valley moved from Kunar to Bajaur and then to Swat. It is the same route taken by Alexander the Great centuries ago in 324 before Christ for his conquest of the areas now comprising Pakistan. Is this route now being used for another invasion? An invasion of militancy, creating an ideological depth of extremism inside Pakistan. The recent US National Intelligence reports say that Al-Qaeda has safe havens in Pakistan's tribal areas, where its operational lieutenants and top leadership is not only protected, but also regenerating. US officials believe that in addition to tribal areas, Malakand, Deer and Swat are possible hideouts for Al-Qaeda's top leaders, given the confluence of unique ground conditions in those locations. Pakistani officials acknowledge that terrorism and extremism in the country are development of historical circumstances of nearly 3 decades, with roots in Afghanistan that are now spreading in the main cities. However, officials say they want credible pinpoint intelligence to take action against militants.
There is sharing of intelligence, there is coordination. As far as Osama bin Laden is concerned, we keep hearing off and on such kinds of reports, and most of them are motivated, not based on facts.
But the evidence on the ground suggests that those involved in the recent spate of terror attacks are not only ideologically associated with Al-Qaeda, but also following its tactics to attack the security forces, as in Iraq and Afghanistan.